everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Randomly Organized Life. My name is Caitlin, and I would love for you to join our YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button below. And definitely like this video if this is something that you like, and I will continue to do these types of videos. But like the title of the video says, today I am sharing with you what was in my Target beauty box. This box I ordered online and just had it shipped to my house. I think you can buy them in store as well. Not sure if every Target is different in that aspect. But this is, it says, "Hello, Summer Stunner." And sorry if you hear anything in the background. I think my neighbor is mowing the yard. But there is a coupon. So this is just a little card that comes with it. On the back, there's some information, and there is a coupon in here. It says $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. So that's kind of cool that that comes in there. So similar to the Walmart beauty box, these are sample sizes. Occasionally you might get a full-size item in here, but typically they're going to be sample sizes, which for me is completely fine because I like getting samples, just because I am one of those people that I don't like to pay for a large size of an item if I may or may not like it. So if I don't like it, then I feel like I'm wasting my money, but at least with a sample, I get to test it out, and if I do like it and decide to buy the full size, I can do that. But then if it's something I don't end up liking, I'm not out a lot of money. So let's go ahead and get on in here. I'll start sharing with you the items that I got and kind of share a little bit about each item. I haven't used any of these yet, so I don't really have a review on them, but I'll just give some information behind them. The first item up here is this Bliss Fab Foaming. It is a 2-in-1 cleanser exfoliator with bamboo buffers. So it's this cute little bottle here. I really like the size of the bottle. It'd be perfect for traveling. But it says do double duty. This oil-free, which is good for me because I do have oily skin. It's a gel cleanser with bamboo buffers. It provides a gentle exfoliation while removing makeup and grime for smoother, more radiant skin. Just says use daily on wet skin, lather up and rinse. So just like a typical face wash. But I do like getting face washes because, especially with these sample sizes, so I keep them in my shower. But so I do keep these sample sizes in there as well, so I don't forget to use them, because that is one downside to getting sample sizes, is I don't always keep them front and center with the rest of my daily routine type makeup or beauty products. So sometimes I do end up forgetting that I have a sample. So in my shower, I hung it up on the curtain rods, like the ring holders that hold the curtain, the shower curtain. So I put this little, I got it at the Dollar Tree. It's just a little basket with a handle on it, and then I hung it by the handle. So then I keep all of these in there, and it's a little plastic basket that has holes in it so that water can seep out if water does get in there, so it doesn't get gross and grimy. But so I just keep all the little sample sizes in there so I don't forget to use them, because then I can see them. But I am interested in trying this and seeing if I like it. So next item is this. It's the Simple brand. It's sensitive skin. They're cleansing wipes. It removes waterproof mascara, so that's a plus. It says for all skin types. So here's the little packaging here. So I do really enjoy makeup removing wipes or face cleansing wipes, because I am one of those people where it's time for bed and I haven't washed my face yet. So this is a quick, easy way to wash your face and get all your makeup off. A lot of times I'll even use these before getting in the shower and washing my face in the shower, just because a lot of times the just normal face wash doesn't get mascara off well. So it's nice to take off your makeup and then wash your face, so you know you're washing your face on as clean of skin as you can, if that makes sense. I've never used this brand. I've used other brands before, so I'll be interested to try this out. The next item I have is from Eden Body Works. It is a body lotion. It's coconut and shea with vitamin E. It's smooth and hydrate is what it says. So I'm assuming it's just like a normal lotion. You can definitely smell the coconut, but it's not overpowering, which is nice because I don't like lotions that have a super potent smell. And I didn't realize this, but it has one of the tops like this where it squirts out. I don't know if that's focusing for you guys or not. So you don't have to twist the cap off completely. You can just push the button and it comes out the top. So love getting lotions, especially sample sizes. They're good for the purse, the diaper bag, a makeup bag, or whatever you need for traveling. I definitely take these in my diaper bag a lot and my purse because my hands are constantly getting dry. So I definitely like sample sizes of lotions. The next item here is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. It says the scent is tropical banana, and I love banana scented or banana flavored anything. So I'm really interested to try this out. I haven't used much from this brand, but I've heard good things about this brand. I think this is one my sister really likes. So here's what it looks like on the front. And on the back, it just says, mist generously onto damp or dry hair. Scrunch and style with fingers to create soft waves and texture. Air dry naturally or use a diffuser for added body. So I definitely love these kinds of sprays. Definitely for the summertime. Granted, summer's pretty much over by now. But that's okay. I mean, I don't think you have to use it only in the summer. You can use it whenever you want to. It's your hair. So I'll still definitely be using this. But like I said, I haven't used much from this brand, so I'm interested to try this one out. Okay, so the next item I have here is from Acure. It's a brilliantly brightening day cream. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if there's a glare on there. So there's not any instructions on the back of it as far as how you're supposed to use this. My guess is you'd use it just like a normal moisturizer. So I love getting moisturizers. I like testing them out simply because I do have oily skin and it's hard for me to find moisturizers that work for my skin type. A lot of them make my skin super oily and greasy. So I'll be interested to see how this one works. If you've used this kind before, definitely let me know what your thoughts are. I'd like to know if you enjoyed it or if you didn't like it, what skin type you are, because that definitely impacts how it's going to work on your skin. So definitely leave those comments below, but I'm interested in trying this out. So the last item in my Target beauty box is this Chic Intuition Fab Razor. So it's just a 5-blade razor. I don't think it's a replaceable one. I think it's a disposable one. It doesn't really say, but here's what it looks like. So I do like trying new razors. My leg hairs are super coarse and thick and dark. I've always had dark hair and I've hated it since I was a child, just because I can shave my legs one day and within a few hours you can already see the little hair follicles, so it doesn't even look like I shaved even though I did. But I like testing out new razors. I've definitely liked Venus in the past a lot, and I've used a few of the Chic brand, so I'll be interested in seeing how this one works. It says you can shave forward and backwards, so I'm not really sure how that works, so that's interesting. So on the back, though, it says top blades shave up and bottom blades shave down. So my guess is the blades are angled at different angles so that you can shave both ways. There's the moisture strips. That's pretty common in razors. I can't tell if that tip is removable. I think it is removable because it looks like there's a little button. I don't know if you can see it from the side. Looks like there's a little button that you can push the tip out so you can replace it. But I'm sure once I open it and start using it, I'll be able to tell if it's a disposable razor or not. My guess is it's not a disposable razor. I don't know why they would put a disposable razor in the beauty box. Typically, disposable razors don't last as long, and you'd want one where you can replace the head of it. So, interested in trying this out. If you've tried this brand before, or this razor specifically, comment below and let me know what your thoughts were on it. So that is everything from my Target beauty box. I will leave my link below, so if you're interested in checking it out, you can do so. And I wanted to say thank you for watching and your support. Definitely hit that like button if this is a type of video that you like to watch. And hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and join our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And again, thank you for watching. And if you have any videos, ideas, definitely leave those in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!